Hello everyone, this is Vani Kola, Managing Director, Kalari Capital, bringing you our Leadership in Crisis series. This is an initiative to learn from the crisis faced by famous companies, famous leaders, and how they transcended the crisis to new success. We can all draw lessons and inspiration from these journeys and apply them into our own lives, and hence I look forward to sharing with you today a story from Ashok Leyland. I want to talk about making decisions at the right time, especially new leadership decisions. In 2011, they made a leadership change that had a positive, significant impact in overcoming the crisis. Before we talk about the crisis though, Ashok Leyland of course was no startup. They had 20,000 crores in revenue. They were over 60 years old since inception. They were very prevalent. Perhaps 100 million people daily commute on their buses and their trucks. They were in the heavy vehicle space. They are a great turnaround story of corporate India. So what was their crisis? Before 2007, they had a technology partner who was also a major shareholder. In 2007, the promoters, the Hindujas, bought out this shareholder. To remain competitive, they had to make heavy technology investments to the tune of about 5,000 crores in just 5 years, which was in fact twice the amount that they had ever invested in the last 60 years. A combination of factors, technology investments, the 2008 recession, the downturn which impacted the core investments into infrastructure, which in turn impacted demand for core products from Ashok Leyland, all resulted in ending up with a debt, a massive debt of almost 6,200 crores. Due to recession, the main business dropped by almost 50% within 1 year. Drastic crisis requires drastic changes in a timely manner. Though we all embrace incremental changes, there is always inertia and hesitation to make massive changes within a business. They appointed Vinod Dasari in 2011 as managing director, who is credited with the turnaround of Ashok Leyland. I find always that leadership changes are very difficult for startup founders as well as promoters in large companies. And by the time these changes are made, it is too little, too late, as they say. This, of course, is true not just for startups but also for large companies. There are 3 pivotal decisions that helped with this turnaround. First, a defensive strategy of a massive cost reduction program. When revenue is declining and debt is mounting, how well you can aggressively reduce costs becomes the difference between how much time you have to truly survive and have a chance to execute any of the more innovative strategies. And this is now familiar to all of us during this pandemic crisis. In this case, and indeed in any case where cost cutting is successful, what helped was a high degree of transparency to be aligned to the short-term sacrifices towards the possibility of long-term gains and success. The second necessity was expansion, very aggressive expansion. Their main business, and in a declining main market, executing to new opportunities is really the only option. From being a South Indian company to be pan-Indian company, and move from not only being in heavy vehicles but also into newer products of light commercial vehicles. The third achievement was really how from top down the teams were reorganized and refocused. The leadership strategy of being a hierarchical structure of just one P&L to making it into a much more entrepreneurial structure with 400 P&Ls with well-defined ownership of revenue and profitability, empowering teams and making them accountable is nothing new from a leadership book, but executing this at a large scale is never easy. These initiatives were core to this remarkable turnaround. Sometimes leadership change is a necessity, and doing that at the right time can make all the difference. We more often prolong what is inevitable and hence accumulate more losses. Be decisive about cutting losses when you have to. Changing decision structures to keep in alignment with the new incentives and new realities of the business makes all the difference to the best of strategies being implemented successfully or not. Lastly, in summary, the bigger the crisis, sometimes the bolder the changes that are needed. Thank you.